What's up, everyone? 暑假快到了，很多人都准备出国外旅游，但是你知道怎么用英语通过海关吗？海关 Customs 我旅游的时候是我最喜欢做的事情。If you're planning to travel abroad this summer, chances are when you go through customs, you will be asked questions in English. And a lot of customs officers will be very serious, like they want to scare you.
What is the purpose of your trip to the United States?
Living the American dream?
Yeah, we don't do that anymore.
If you have done nothing wrong, then of course you have nothing to worry about. The first thing you need to remember, keep your answers short and sweet. 这是一个很好用的固定短语 short and sweet. And keep calm and relax. Everything will be okay. I don't know about all countries, but in American customs, they will especially be suspicious of you if you start acting nervous.
This is a little excessive, okay? No, don't do this to me, okay?
美国的海关真的好烦. Now these questions we're about to discuss are certainly ones you will hear when you go through customs, but you may not necessarily hear all of them. However, I just need to prepare you for any question you might get.
Sing something American.
Sure. Is it too late now to say I'm sorry?
No. Bieber's Canadian.
Bieber is Canadian?
Yeah.
And with these questions, I want to make sure you know how to answer them so you can get through customs smoothly. Now, every country might ask you slightly different questions.
Can you dab?
No. What?
Dab.
Dude, sorry.
It's a very good dab. Excellent dab.
But for this example, I'm just going to use my home country, USA. Make sure you keep any papers that you get on the airplane with you at all times. And then when you get in line, the first thing you're going to hear is, Next, 就是到你了. Can I see your passport and arrival card, please? Here you go. Here you are. 也可以什么都不说，说越少就越好. Is this your first visit to the USA? Yes, it is. No, I've been here 2 times before. No, I've been here many times. What is your final destination? This is my final destination. 意思就是如果你要转机的话，要告诉他们你目的地是什么地方。My final destination is Boston. How long will you be staying in the US? 最 short and sweet 就是2 weeks, 3 weeks. 或者如果要长一点的话，也可以说 I'm planning to stay in the US for 2 weeks. And if you haven't booked a ticket to leave the country, you're going to need to explain to them what your plan is. So be prepared. What is the purpose of your trip?
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here to see my mother.
I'm here for tourism. I'm here for business. I'm here to study. I'm here to visit family. I'm here to visit a friend. 那如果是旅游的话，可能他们会问你 What are you planning to see? We're going to see the Statue of Liberty. 如果是学习的话 So what are you studying? I'm studying English. 如果是做生意的话 What kind of business do you do? Oh, I sell drugs. 开玩笑，千万不要这样说 I'm a doctor and I'm here for a conference. 那如果你不是学生的话，可能他们对你工作要问一些问题 What do you do?
What is your occupation?
I'm a teacher. I'm an engineer. Short and sweet. And where will you be staying? 这个问题的话，你肯定要提前准备要住的地方的地址，不管是朋友的家或者酒店，一定要准备这个消息。Who are you traveling with? Oh, just John and Mary and Bob. 他们不想要知道你朋友的名字，他是问你跟朋友是什么关系的。I'm traveling with my wife and my son. How much currency are you carrying? 这个问题一定要诚实哦。I have $2,000 USD. If you have more than $10,000 USD in the US, you will have to go to another room and they will count it. But don't worry, it's just for your safety and they just want to know how much money is coming into the country. And if something happens to you, they have evidence that the money was yours. 那接下来的3个问题是非常重要的，不能回答错吧 Who packed your bags? I did. I did. I did. 如果你说其他人都装你的行李，他们可能非常怀疑的。What they really want to know is, did someone put something illegal in your bag, and now you are bringing it into their country? 所以一定要说 I did. Was the bag left alone or unattended at any time? No, no, no. 这个问题的话，如果你说 yes, 他们肯定会把包给安检了。 Did anyone give you a gift to bring? No. 除非是很大的很贵的要给买下来的东西，那可能要说 yes 吧。I did. No. 但是你千万不能说谎啊。Do you have anything to declare? So if you have a lot of cash with you, any kinds of vegetables or plants or fruit or seeds or meat, things like that, you probably need to declare it, but they will go through your bags and take it. My advice, don't bring any fruits or veggies or meats into another country, unless it comes in a package and it's still sealed. Also, be careful about cigarettes if you smoke. A lot of countries only allow 200 cigarettes, and alcohol if you drink. Usually 2 bottles of alcohol, but some countries like Maldives have a no alcohol rule, so you can't bring anything. Could you take your glasses off for the photo, please? Could you take your hat off for the photo, please? Sure, no problem. Can you put your right hand on the scanner, please? Sure, no problem. Alright, so if you can prepare to answer all of these questions, you're gonna have no problems. Remember, if you have nothing to hide, then there's nothing bad that can possibly happen. Going through customs still makes me nervous. I don't know why. It's just a stressful experience. And please remember, random bag searches are very common, so don't worry too much about it. Generally, they want to let you in the country because they know you're gonna spend a lot of money there, so they just want to make sure nothing seriously bad is happening. Anyway, I hope this video can help you guys get through customs smoothly, and leave me a message below. Let me know your summer travel plans. As always, don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。